Most people dream about being rich, traveling the world, living life on their own terms. But guess what? Most people stay broke. Not because they are not smart, not because they don't have potential. They stay broke because they wait. They wait for the right time, the perfect moment, the better job. And that wait never ends. If you're serious about changing your life, you have to understand one truth right now. Wealth is built by action, not by waiting. And the best action you can take today is to start building passive income. Because passive income is the secret weapon that the rich have been using forever. You're not supposed to just work 9 to 5, pay bills, and die. You're supposed to create multiple streams of income that work for you even when you're sleeping. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money already deposited into your account while you were dreaming. That's not a fantasy. That's passive income. And today I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that you can start right now. No excuses. The first idea is print-on-demand stores. You don't need to buy stock or hold inventory. You simply design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Etsy handle the production, shipping, and customer service. You make the designs once, and you earn again and again every time someone buys your product. You don't have to be an artist. Simple text designs sell like crazy. You just have to start. The second idea is affiliate marketing. Think about it. You recommend products every single day without even realizing it. You tell your friends about that new phone, that amazing pizza place, that new app you love. Affiliate marketing is the same, but you get paid for it. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even Shopify. You share your affiliate link on your social media, YouTube channel, blog. And every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, just smart promotion. The third idea is digital products. If you have knowledge about anything, fitness, cooking, study tips, anything, you can turn that into an ebook, a course, or even a simple PDF guide. You make it once and it sells forever. You can sell your digital product on Gumroad, Udemy, your own website. And trust me, people pay for good information if you package it right. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to be a step ahead of the person you're helping. The fourth idea is investing in dividend stocks. This is truly earning while you sleep. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a part of their profit every quarter, just for holding their stock. Even small investments, if done consistently, can build into a powerful stream of passive income over time. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity make it super easy to start even with $10 or $20. You don't have to be rich to invest. You become rich because you invest. And the fifth idea is YouTube automation channels. You don't even have to show your face. You can create faceless YouTube channels around topics like luxury, motivation, finance, tech, and outsource the script writing, voiceover, and editing for cheap. You focus on managing the system. One viral video can bring money for months or even years without lifting a finger after it's posted. Content is the new real estate. Build it once, earn from it forever. Now here's the harsh truth. Most people will hear these ideas, feel excited for 10 minutes, and then do absolutely nothing. That's the difference between the broke and the wealthy. The broke talk. The wealthy act. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only thing standing between you and your dream life is action. Take the first step today, even if it's messy, even if it's small, even if you feel scared. Because every great journey begins with one bold step forward. You are capable of so much more than you realize. Your future self is begging you to start now. If you want more real-world strategies to grow your wealth, smash that subscribe button and join the movement. Because here we don't just dream, we build. And the best is yet to come.